Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Anjum Sheikh and welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and without wasting any further time, let's just dive into the video. And this video is very kindly sponsored by Skillshare, but more about them at the end of this video. After doing my regular morning routine, I started the first session for the day at 10 a.m. in the morning. In this session, I was going through some video lectures of Mrunal sir's economy lectures on Unacademy, and I was going through these lectures and passively making notes alongside in the Notion app. A lot of you guys ask me why do I make my own notes, because Mrunal sir provides us with a very concise notes. But I want to say that whenever I am watching a lecture, I like to make my own notes, because if I'm making my own notes, my entire focus is on lecture. Otherwise, I will get distracted if I'm not making that notes. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I do like to make my own notes. I will also refer the handouts later on, but yeah, while watching the lecture, I do like to make my own notes.
So guys, I was just going through the lectures, as you guys can see here. Now it's time for lunch. So yeah, let's go have some lunch and then come back.
It's 28th of Feb when I'm shooting this vlog. This means it's officially end of February month, and now it's time to make a new calendar for the month of March. So after having lunch, I just spent 15 minutes making this new calendar for the month of March. This is a new month. That means there will be new deadlines, there will be a lot of motivation, and there will be many crazy things happening in the month of March. So yeah, I just made a calendar for the month of March, and now I will stick this up on the wall.
Hey guys, we are back from the lunch now, and now we are going to complete the last lecture of economics. Every day I have to complete 3 lectures. From morning I have completed 2 lectures. Each lecture is of around 2.5 hours, and I have seen the lecture in the speed of 1.5x or 1.75x, because yes, I can understand that much speed, and I am what can I say? I am just used to listening lectures at that speed. So yes, that's the reason I can do lectures in such a short amount of time. So yeah, now I'll just keep my camera here, and you'll see me completing the last lecture of economics, and I'll see you guys after, I guess, 1.5 hours. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get all.
So yes guys, we are done with 3 lectures for economics, and yeah, that was the target for today, and we are done with that. I am super happy and I am exhausted. So each lecture was for 2.5 hours, and I speed up the lecture so I was able to complete all the lectures in time. But yeah, it's around 5 in the evening and we are done with that. So now I think I'm going to rest because I am exhausted. So now I'm going to go take rest for a few minutes, and after that we have to go for cycling. So yes, I think I'm going to rest, and after that we'll go for cycling. So I'll see you guys at around 6 p.m.
We can drive around to the sky and see meat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Hey guys, it's around 7:30 in the evening. I just came back from cycling, and now I was going to start the next study session. But yeah, I just got to know that, oh my desk is just cluttered up, and all the notes that you have seen in I guess last video or the video before that are in that room only. I have not kept that still in the cupboard. So now I think it's time that I organize that, because everything is very messy. I will just show you my desk in few minutes. I removed some books from that shelf yesterday, and they are also lying on my desk, and I don't like a cluttered desk. I don't know, I just can't work if everything is like that. And I again need to go through those notes and see what I am going to use exactly and how I am going to use them. So yeah, I think this is going to be a little organization session. Yes, I do like a lot of these, and I keep doing that in few days. And yes, I do like all of that, and I do a lot of organization, as you have seen, and I don't know, it just feels good after organizing everything. And yeah, that's the reason. Let's not go deep into that. Anyways, now I will show you where I have kept all those notes, because yes, you need to see that and you will know I am a messy person, but yes, we need to get rid of everything. And yeah, I think we will start the study session 1 hour late, because I need to do this. And yeah, without wasting any further time, let's just do that. So, from where should we start? So now I'll just show you the situation of my desk. As you guys can see here it is a bit clean. But if I take my camera here, so here is the actual mess. I have to organize all of this. And if you guys can see my shelf, here also everything is a bit unorganized. So yes, I am also going to do that. So yeah, let's get into it. So hey guys, I just want to show you where I have kept all the new notes. So they are all in this drawer, as you guys can see here. They are here from 2 weeks, and I was just very much I don't know, lazy to take them away and keep them inside the shelf. So yeah, today finally we are going to do that. So yeah, let's do that now. So yes guys, all from the shelf is done. Shelf is clear now. Only the stuff that I want in the same place is up there. Now we have to arrange everything that is on the desk. This is a little bit mess, because there are a lot of pages that I don't know where will they go. So yeah, we have to figure a lot of things. But so yeah, let's get started.
Been trying to get all of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long.
So yes guys, I am done organizing the new notes that came in the gift box. I organized them in the ones that I have to give for giveaway and the ones that I'm going to keep for myself. So yeah, almost 70% of the notes are given in the giveaway. I'm going to post that tomorrow to the winners. I have the address of them. So yes, I organized that, and the ones that I'm going to keep for myself, I will keep that in the shelf now. So yes.
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with.
So yes guys, we are done with the organization. Now everything is in the right place, and the desk is also looking very nice now. So yeah, I think now we should start the study sessions. Hey guys, it's around 1 a.m. in the night, and I'm done with the paper analysis, and now I have to make a script for one of the video. Yeah, I am just going to do that now. I have a little idea in my head, but I think if I want to make a sit down video, then I need to make a script for that before. So yes, now I am going to do that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under.
So hey guys, I was writing the script as I said in the earlier clip, and by far I've written I think half of the video, and I am satisfied with that. I don't know. I will complete the rest of the part tomorrow, I guess, because I am not getting the words that I want to say. There is a lot of things going on in my head, but yeah, taking off on a piece of paper is a little bit difficult. I'm not finding the right words for that. So yes, I think I'm done for it now. I still have half an hour in this break time, so I think I'm going to watch Friends for some time just to chill in this period. So yeah, I am going to do that, and I'll see you guys at 2 a.m.
So I just want to take a moment and talk to you all about the sponsor of today's video. This video is very kindly sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community that provides you with thousands of creative classes from various fields. You will find a lecture about photography, videography, or even on productivity. Recently, I have been taking few classes on Skillshare and I am totally loving my experience on that platform. And if you want to learn new skills, Skillshare is the platform for that. So currently I am planning to take this class by Ali Abdal, that is productivity masterclass, and yes, this class is also then divided into smaller videos so I can just watch them whenever I have time. And if you guys are interested to join the Skillshare Premium membership, the first 1000 people to click on the link in the description box below will get a free trial for the premium membership. And after the free trial is over, the Skillshare membership is less than $10 per month. That goes for around 700 rupees per month, and I think it is a reasonable price if you are learning such high quality skills there. So yeah, this was it about our sponsors. Now let's move forward with the vlog. So hey guys, I was going through the comment section of some of the videos, and a lot of you guys asked me about the product links for some products that I show in my video. For example, maybe the pen that I use or the to-do list diary that I have on my desk always. So a lot of you guys asked me from where do I buy that, or from where you can also buy that. So a lot of products that you see in my videos are also available on Amazon. So now I am going to sit down and find links for all those products, and I'll put the links in the description box below in every video. So yes, in this vlog or any video that you see of mine ahead of this, there will be links to all the products that I use. And if you guys buy the products from the same link that is in the description box below, I will get a little support, and that will be a support to our channel. So yeah, that will be affiliated links, and that will not be any extra cost for you. You will get the product in the same price, but yes, that will give us a little bit of support and help. So yeah, now I'm going to go find the links for all the products, and maybe probably you will also find links in the video description of this also if you guys want to check that. So yeah, that was it. I'll just sit here and find the links for that, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa.
So hey guys, I'm done with finding the links to all the things that I use in videos, and I hope that this will be helpful for anyone that is finding that. I did spend almost 30 minutes doing this. So yeah, and if you guys can hear dogs barking outside, I don't know what happens to them at night. Every night the same thing happens here. Almost they are barking for the past 1 hour. So yeah, it is a bit irritating and I am getting irritated by that now. But yeah, anyways, we cannot do anything for that, so better we don't think about that. Anyways, I'm done with this now, and I think I'm gonna go there on my bed. I still have that bed desk kind of thing there, and I am going to sit there and I don't know, go through some previous year's question paper because I am feeling guilty for wasting a lot of time today, and I think I'm going to go through previous year's question paper before I go to sleep. So yes, I will do that now.
So hey guys, it's around 3:30 a.m. and I'm done with revision. So actually I was going to go through some previous year's question paper, but yeah, rather I just revised a few chapters that I studied yesterday. So I was doing revision now, and now I'm done with that, and now it's my time to go to sleep. So yeah, I think this was it for this video guys. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below what you think about the video. I'll be really happy to know all your responses, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye.